let's head out now to Skylar Henry, who is live in South Georgia with the latest on the wildfire. Skylar, what can you tell us from what you're seeing from your vantage point right now?
Hey, Sharon, good evening to you. We are in Waynesville, which is here in Brantley County. What I'm standing next to is what we believe to be a mobile home. You could see a ton of debris here. There's also a bicycle. There's a pool. There's what looks to be a heater, a wheelbarrow, and all around us, burnt out cars. There's even a church just beyond our camera that was also destroyed because of this fire, based off of what officials say that they have seen and assessed up until this point. They say that more than 50 structures have been destroyed, all of them dwellings. They also say that they are incredibly concerned because the fire has seemed to spread even more so than what they said when they gave that debrief earlier in the day today. They say that there have now been emergency management and resource officers that have responded to the scene all across the state. We know that Governor Brian Kemp has said that he will also send resources out here as it relates to the Georgia National Guard. There is concern because only about 10% of this fire has been contained up until this point. And there's obviously more concerns, especially as the winds continue to whip in and around this area as well. We should point out, though, no one has been hurt, at least that is what officials have been saying up until this point. There has been one firefighter who was injured but was able to walk away from his injuries. But as of now, we are continuing to really assess a lot of the damage happening here in this part of the state. A lot of people are concerned, evacuating to nearby cities and shelters. We stopped at one church, spoke with one of the folks who had to evacuate from that area, said that they're just happy to be alive.
It's definitely a shame to see all of that damage and destruction due to the wildfires, but thank goodness that there aren't any injuries as of now because the people have evacuated. All right, Skylar Henry live for you over in South Georgia. We appreciate it.